Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. Myself Chitali Arora from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group of Kota. Welcome in the class kids. So kids, in the previous classes we have already learnt use of a and an. So today we will do book exercise of same topic. Okay? So take out your English pre-primer book. Open page number 3131. Mention the date and classwork at the top. So kids, first we will read the question. Look here. Fill in the blanks with a or an. Fill in the blanks with a or an. So kids, some pictures and their names are given. We have to fill these blanks with a or an. Okay kids? So take out your pencil. Come to first one. Dash O S T R I C H. Ostrich. So kids, we have to see first letter of the spelling. First letter is letter O. O is vowel. So we have to write and before this word. So write a and here. A and. Move to next one. Dash R A T. Rat. So kids, first letter is letter R. R is consonant. That means we have to write a before this word. So write a here. Like this. Okay. Move to next one. Dash G I R L. Girl. So kids, tell me, first letter is letter G. G is consonant. So we have to write a before this word. So write a here. Like this. Okay? Now kids, tell me, what is this? This is an egg. This is a picture of egg. Spelling of egg is E-G-G. Egg. Okay kids? So tell me, what should I write here? A or N? Yes, N. Because starting letter is E. E is vowel. We use N before this word. So write A and N here. Like this. Move to next line. Dash B-O-X. Box. Here first letter is letter B. B is consonant. So we have to write A before this word. So write A. Like this. Move to next. Dash A-P-P-L-E. Apple. So kids, tell me, what should I write here? A or N? Yes, N. Because starting letter is vowel. So we have to write N before this word. So write A and N. A and next, dash T-A-P. Tap. So kids, first letter is letter T. Okay? Tell me kids, T is vowel or consonant? Yes, letter T is consonant. So we have to write A before this word. So write A here. Like this. Move to next. What is this? This is an elephant. Spelling of elephant is E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Okay kids? So kids, what should I write here? A or an? Yes, an elephant. So write an here. Move to next. Dash F-I-S-H. Fish. What should I write here kids? A or an? Yes, A. So write A here. Okay kids, move to next. Dash I-G-L-O-O. Igloo. So kids, what should I write here? A or an? Should I write A? No, because first letter is vowel. So we have to write N before this word. So write an here. Like this. Move to next. Dash U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. What should I write here now? An or a? Yes, N, because starting letter is U. U is vowel. So we have to write an before this word. So write an. Okay, move to next. Dash N-U-T. Nut. So kids, first letter is letter N. N is consonant. So we have to write A before this word. So write A here. Let's read all together. An ostrich. A rat. A girl. An egg. Move to next line. A box. An apple. A tap. An elephant. Move to next line. A fish. An igloo. An umbrella. A nut. Okay kids, now come to next question. Let's read this question. Match the following. Match the following. So kids, what we have to do? We have to match this is with a or an, then with a word. Okay, let's read all the words. C-O-W, cow. V-A-N, van. O-X, ox. O-W-L, owl. T-O-P, top. Okay kids, so first one is already done in your book. Let's read. T-H-I-S, this. I-S is. This is a cow. This is a cow. So kids, why A is used here? Because first letter is letter C. C is consonant. We use A before consonant. Okay, move to next. This is an van. This is a van because again first letter is consonant here. So we have to use A before this word. Okay. So do with me. First match this is with A like this. Then A with van. This is a van. Okay. Next. This is or an ox. This is an ox because first letter is vowel here. We use an before vowel. So match. This is with an, then and with ox. Like this. This is an ox. Next, this is a owl or this is an owl. Which one is correct? Yes, this is an owl because again first letter is vowel here. Okay, so this is an owl. So match. This is with an, okay, then and with owl. Like this. Next, this is a dog because again first letter of this word is consonant. We use a before consonant. So match. This is with a, then a with top. This is a top. Let's read all together. This is a cow. This is a van. Next, this is an ox. This is an owl. This is a top. Okay kids, so you have to complete page number 3131 like this. Okay, keep practicing. Have a nice day. Bye.